Welcome back to our channel, where we decode the world of abbreviations. If you've ever been puzzled by acronyms and shorthand, you've come to the right place.
Here are some important abbreviations commonly used in Adobe Photoshop. Number 1. WIP, work in progress. Used to indicate that a project or artwork is still being worked on and is not yet finalized. Number 2. Raster, a type of image composed of pixels, each having its own color value. Number 3. Vector, a type of image composed of mathematical paths and curves, scalable without loss of quality. Number 4. LUT, lookup table, a table used to apply color adjustments to an image, often used in color grading. Number 5. DPI, dots per inch, a measure of printing resolution or image resolution in pixels per inch. Number 6. HDR, high dynamic range, a technique used to capture and display a wider range of light and color in images. Number 7. EXIF, exchangeable image file format, data embedded in an image file containing information about camera settings, date, and other technical details. Number 8. RAW, a file format that stores minimally processed data from a camera's sensor, allowing for more extensive adjustments in post-processing. Number 9. Wacom, a brand of graphic tablets often used with Photoshop for precise drawing and editing. Number 10. PSB Photoshop Big, a file format similar to PSD but with a larger size limit, used for high-resolution and large-format documents. These abbreviations are essential for anyone working with Photoshop and will help you understand various discussions, tutorials, and resources related to the software.